Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your Reddit profile suddenly shows not safe for work, you can fix it easily. First, open Chrome or any browser on your phone or laptop. Type Reddit Help and open the official Reddit website. Tap on Reddit Help and go to Features and Experiences. Scroll down and open the Profile section. Here you will see an option that explains why your profile was marked as not safe for work and how to change it. Tap on it and read the details. Now tap on Profile Settings. You must open Reddit on a web browser like a laptop or desktop. From there, toggle off the Not Safe for Work option and save the changes. This issue usually happens when you interact with mature content or comment on posts marked as not safe for work. Sometimes Reddit enables it automatically based on activity, even by mistake. If you do not fix this, your profile visibility is reduced. Many users may avoid your profile and some features may be restricted. This can affect your engagement and account reputation. Always review your profile settings if this happens suddenly. Using Reddit on web gives you more control over account options. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Reddit account fixes.